is toast. Good morning, guys. I am really happy right now. I'm really excited. Now, I know you guys just saw me eat some yogurt, but what y'all didn't know was what I had in the microwave. Leftover National Coney Island. I got the veggie omelet with bacon added, and then of course it comes with hash browns. Ooh, y'all. And when I tell you it tastes even better the next day, like, So how are you guys doing today? I'm doing great. I slept phenomenally. Yesterday was a fun day. Isaac's aunts were able to come over yesterday. And you know, we haven't seen anybody in a while because of the pandemic and stuff. But yeah, he sees my sister all the time, Corey, the one that lives with my parents. But I have two other sisters actually, Kayla and Jordan. And then Kiari has a sister named Colin. And Isaac hasn't been able to see Kayla since, I was gonna say since he was born, but it wasn't since he was born. I would say since he was like a month old or so. That was a big bite. And I want to say the same for Colin. That she hasn't seen him since then either. Well, no. She actually saw him in passing. I'll say about a little over a month ago. But anyways, they all came over yesterday and we stayed outside, you know, to stay safe or whatever. My complex has a cute little park area. So that's where we were at. We took some really cute pictures. But it was just really nice for, you know, one, for me to be able to see them, and then for us to all be together. It was just so great. It literally felt like a girl's day plus Isaac. Okay. National Coney Island. I ordered a veggie omelet with bacon. So all I added was bacon. Now I thought Isaac is waking up. Oh my god. I thought that their veggie omelets only had vegetables in it and that you had to add like cheese and bacon and, you know, meat or whatever. But Yari is saying that the omelet automatically came with cheese. I didn't know that. I thought you had to add cheese to pretty much all of the omelets there, unless it was like a cheese omelet. I don't know. Isaac's waking up. Probably gonna have to go get him. He's not crying yet though. I got this water from the grocery store. Vita Nourish. Alkaline pH and electrolytes enhanced beverage. Essential vitamins. Vitamin C, B1, B3, B6, B5. So it's fancy. But anyway, I'm happy that the weather's starting to get nice because as we all know, good weather equals good attitudes. So I am happy, and plus I'm glad I get to take Isaac out, you know, in his stroller and, you know, just for him to see the sun and look outside and stuff like that. For him to be able to see the world and not be cooped up in the house all day, every day. So I'm happy that it's becoming hot outside. There's still not any pools open. Like, we have a pool in our complex, but I think it's still closed, so that kind of sucks. But we have all summer, you know, to swim. But, you know, we gotta stay safe. We gotta still be careful, even though I know numerous people out there are not social distancing anymore. Okay, I've been seeing all types of videos and pictures and all this stuff with people in like groups of 50. Like, people are acting like it doesn't exist anymore. It's still there, guys. It didn't just go away. But whatever, suit yourselves. But anyways, guys, I'm feeling sad, happy, excited. I'm feeling all these range of emotions because it just hit me yesterday. Like, my baby boy is getting bigger. He's getting older. Like, oh God, why is this happening? Shut up, you stupid dog. Oh my God, guys. I'm down here right now. I'm gonna have to make my morning mommy chats down here for like the next few days or so because Kiari's sister is actually staying with us and I don't want to wake her up. So because I'm down here, you guys can probably hear the dog a lot more clearer than you would be able to hear it upstairs.
There's a little chihuahua, and chihuahuas just calm down. My baby's big yet. But it's so freaking annoying.
Okay, Isaac is waking up, guys. I gotta go get him. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, Bubba. He's like, Mom, not right now. Not right now. Anyways, he woke up because he was poo-pooing. Say, I got a poo-poo diaper, Mommy. I had to get changed. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this morning mommy chat so I can change him and get him ready and possibly put him back to sleep. It's still really early right now. But anyways, like I was saying, my little bub is growing up. Like, look at him, guys. Go back to his 1 month update video and look at him. And then come back to this one and look at him now. Like, he's getting bigger. And he is starting to like his personality's coming out. He's starting to interact. It's the cutest thing in the world. Like, literally this morning, you guys, he had his pacifier in his mouth because he was falling asleep. And then he literally took it out, yawned, and put it back in. Like, the fact that he was like, okay, I'm about to yawn, this gotta come out right now. He's just so smart and amazing, and I don't know. I just love you, bub. And I'm excited and I'm happy, but at the same time, I'm so sad that my baby is growing up, y'all. Yeah, you looking around? Hi. I just can't believe he's getting bigger. Like, he will be 4 months in a little over a week. Like, how did that happen? How did that much time go by? Like, I was just pregnant with you. But yeah, and that's another thing too. I just remembered that I didn't do a 3-month-old update, and that's because I didn't really think that he would go through much new developments, you know, between 3 months and 4 months, but low-key he has. I just didn't, you know, I wasn't really sure, and I was gonna start doing even numbers, so 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that from now on anyway. But yeah, so his 4-month-old update should be coming soon because he will be 4 months soon already. Supposed to stay my baby forever. Supposed to stay my baby forever. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go so I can get him ready. You know, change his, I'm gonna change his onesie too because it's a little bit chilly in the house to the point where I thought the air was on. I'm like, what's happening? But it's not even on, it's just a little chilly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put him in a little thicker, maybe a long sleeve onesie, and change his diaper because he poo-pooed. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for continuing to watch my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And join the fam, y'all. You are welcome here.
In this place.
Say yeah, man. Yeah, buddy. Yes, my mama. So yeah, I love you guys. Oh, you poo-pooed on your back, man. He's like, yes, I did. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will see you guys tomorrow on Morning Mommy Chat. Morning Mommy Chat. Hey, Morning Mommy Chat.